Hey everybody, Michael Acasio here from MSL Computer Service. I'm doing a video on tips for seniors for your computer. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to give you tips for seniors. And the main thing that seniors need to do is keep safe online. There's a lot of threats and viruses and malware and spyware that you get online. And I've had customers call me and say they had a virus warning on their computer and it said to pay $40 and then they will fix their computer. And unfortunately, the gentleman paid the $40 and it didn't fix their computer. It just took $40 away from them. And that really makes me upset. So I wanted to come out with this video to help seniors be safe online. And the main thing is that you got to have antivirus. AVG has a free antivirus. Download that. Second tip is make sure you update your Windows updates. Windows will put some files on there that'll help you be safe online. So keep those Windows updates updated. When you buy a new computer, it comes with a 30-day trial antivirus. After 30 days, your antivirus stops working, so you need to get the AVG free one after 30 days. And maintain your computer. Remove viruses and malware and bits of code that allow hackers to see what you type. And optimize your hard drive and clean your hard drive. And keep it running good. And that's what you got to do. Here's some other tips that I wrote down that I want to share with you. Optimize your hard drive. Windows has a built-in defragger, and make sure you optimize it. Run that defragger. That'll clean your hard drive, and it'll keep the hard drive free of a lot of programs. What happens is when you uninstall a program or when you're using a program, all the files get scattered all over the hard drive, and defrag will put all those programs back, and that's what you need to do. The next thing is Windows browser. Firefox is a very good browser too. You can also download the option for free add-ons if you'd like to do that. Now another thing I have to tell you is we have to talk about browser toolbars. Don't install any specialized toolbars, especially the shopping toolbars on your web browser, because that's how you get untrustworthy programs on your computer. A very bad thing is to put any kind of toolbars on your computer. Number one, it will slow it down. That's what it's going to do. And then you're going to get all kinds of junk on there. So if you're a senior and you're watching me now live, don't install any toolbars, and that's not good. Because people will put on spyware tracking software and it will track every move you make. And you don't want people to get your passwords and get your banking information and all that. So toolbars are definitely out. Let's see what else we have here. One thing I like to say is download a program called ccleaner. It's a free program. And what ccleaner does is it will get rid of all the temporary junk that's on your computer. So for people that don't do a lot of maintenance, especially seniors, if you get a program called ccleaner, which is spelled ccleaner, C as in the third letter of the alphabet, cleaner. It's all one word, and it's an excellent free utility that you download. And after you download it, it's just a little program. You open it up, you click on where it says Run Cleaner. On the bottom right, it says Run Cleaner. There'll be a message that comes up and says something about, I don't know, it's just a little message that comes up, and you just close that. And your goal is to run the cleaner. Once you run the cleaner, it'll get rid of all the temporary stuff that gets on your computer, all the cookies and all the recent junk, and there's about 4 different folders that collect a lot of data on your computer, and especially for seniors, you don't want that data, so you want to click on ccleaner. And also another program that I recommend getting is called Malware Bytes, and they have a trial version. So make sure you go online, type in Malware Bytes, which is spelled BYTES. It's all one word. Malware BYTES. Download that program and run that program about once a week, and it will find a lot of junk that gets on your computer as you're using it, especially if you're into playing games. I know a lot of seniors like to play games online, and that's all good and fun, but you got to remember that these companies that you're running these games, they put a lot of adware on your computer, and that's advertisements and a lot of extra junk. So you need to have a defense against that. And the ccleaner and the Malware Bytes, you run that. After you run the Malware Bytes, at the end, it's going to give you an option to remove things. What you want to do is click Remove All Selected, and you can check the boxes that are there. An easy way to check boxes all at once, instead of having to do them one at a time, is you get your keyboard and you hold down the Control and the A key at the same time. That will highlight all of them on the right. Make sure you just highlight one and do the Control A key, and then you can click Delete right on your keyboard. If you have a lot of stuff on there, you might have to do it a few times. But that's something very important to do, is you have to have those programs, because spyware and add-ons install things on your computer. And that's the kind of stuff you want to stay away from.
Today we're going to talk about a traffic source that not very many people are talking about. And you can...
So there's some good tips there for seniors. Or what else can I think about what seniors can do? Oh yeah, make sure when you turn your computer on, you just push the button to turn it on, and turn it off properly. Because when you turn your computer off properly, everything will shut down the right way. In other words, don't push the button on the computer to shut it off. Take your mouse and go into the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, click on the Start, and you'll see an option it'll say Power Option. You click on the one that says Shutdown, and then you hit Shutdown, and the computer will shut down. That's how you shut down the computer the right way. Starting it up, push the button, shut down. You take the mouse in the corner And before you do that, you want to go to the top right hand corner and close out whatever program you're using at the X. You see the X in the top right, you close that, and then you shut it down. That way you won't have to shut down the program while it's running. You can close the program and then shut your computer down. I can't stress enough for seniors to be safe online. That's my main concern. When I go to people's homes to fix their computer, and seniors are very vulnerable to getting infections and getting taken advantage of by these hackers, and that really annoys me. So I am always on top of that. When I have a customer that's a senior, I try to protect them even more and teach them the basics of online protection. So I think I'm going to wrap up this live stream. Again, I'm Michael Lucasio. My channel is I help people maintain and repair their computer. And this video is about helping seniors, especially. And if you're new here, I'm glad you're here. Please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so you won't miss any future videos. And you can also watch other videos I have. All my videos are about helping people maintain their computer and repair their computer. And I'm glad you're here. So again, I will see you later. Have a great day. Thanks for watching my channel. And if you have any comments, leave them below. Any questions or any tips that you'd like to give to seniors to help them keep their computer safe, that's mostly welcomed. Thank you for watching.